Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create GIFs from a YouTube video for free. If you would like to create a GIF from some YouTube video, you can easily do it for free and I will show you how. Just follow these steps. Open up any internet browser on your mobile phone and go to gifrun.com website. As you can see, this service helps you to create high-quality GIFs from YouTube videos. Now paste the link of a YouTube video which you would like to edit. It should start loading up automatically. Choose duration of your GIF. You can make it as long as 10 seconds. Choose the part of a video which should be included into the GIF. Now click on Create GIF button. After it is done loading up, scroll down and click and hold on the GIF. From the menu, select Download Image. Done. You have successfully saved this GIF to your mobile phone. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create GIFs from a YouTube video for free. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.